The second way you can create leads is by YouTube. Make a YouTube channel. Talk about your passion. Talk about something you're good at. And talk about affiliate marketing. Put it in a sauce and make a nice YouTube channel. I'm going to show you my YouTube channel where I put the links. But first I'm going to tell you where I do it. I put the links under my movies. I put the links in my bio. I put the links in my description. And I put the links in my banner. So watch with me. I'm going to show you my YouTube channel. Do you like this movie? Give me a thumb up. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I use the same banner and the same picture in my YouTube channel. Why do I do that? Because I want that people recognize me. I want them to know that it's me they are looking at. So that's the reason why. So on your YouTube channel, there are several places you can put links. First, we go to videos. And if I click on this video, I don't want to play it. I'm scrolling down. You see over here, links in the description of the video. That's way number one. Another way is you go over here. Here is over my channel, and I scroll down, and you can put all the links over here on the underside of your description. But this is about me. This is about me section. And also in the about me section, I put here get paid with Jess. That's the third place you can put your links in your YouTube channel. Another place where you can put your link in is over here. Subscribe now, click on the bell. If you go to your channel, there are here some buttons you can click on, and that's the same place where you can put your links also. So that's the last place you can put your links in your YouTube channel to create leads. These are warm leads. So these leads are has the most value of all the leads because they already seen you, they already know you, and they click on the links because they want to know more about you and what you offer. So this is very important. These are warm leads, not cold leads. Solo ads are cold leads, but like I told you before, this episode is not about solo ads.